Okay, we're going to take a look at how to pour Guinness out of a can into a glass the right way. You need a dry glass to start. Open the can. Tilt the glass on a 45-degree angle and pour slowly in at first. When you have a nice base, you can then afford to straighten it up, and you're going to pour straight in. And as you're pouring, the beautiful head is starting to form, and you can see cascading all the way from the bottom all the way to the top. When you're finished serving this, it's always key to put the badge forward. That's how Guinness wants it. They want you to see the label. And it's like that for any other glass. But you can see the head is starting to slowly form. It's almost completely intact, and the cascading is done. Serve only when the cascading has finished.